I'm standing here with Mrs. Akers, and obviously we have the science fair, you can see kind of behind us. And I wanted to give parents and some students opportunity to hear a little more about it. So, Ms. Akers, tell me kind of a little about the process that our students kind of go through in preparing for this.
Well, we start in September, and it's required for all Science 8 Excel students, but anyone can do it in the school, 6 through 8. They basically pick a subject, any subject of science they want. They do research on it, they come up with a unique question, they design an experiment, they do the experiment, and then they conclude about what they found.
Awesome, awesome. It's always impressive to see kind of what the students accomplish, and you can see the different kind of levels of what interests students. But I guess I only have really one more question. Was there anything in particular, any hypotheses that really jumped out at you that you were impressed with, or that just really stuck out as you reviewed them?
Well, all of them are great. They're all unique, and this reflects what the students find interesting and what they are sort of looking for as future answers to things. This one over here, where they're talking about manipulating cockroaches by electrical impulses on their antenna and changing the pace of that, or the rate that the information is given to the cockroach, was pretty cool. Just messing with cockroaches in itself is pretty amazing. This one, he was looking at the current distribution of the thermal interface, which is the connection in the heat transfer of different materials, looking at what's currently used versus all of the things that we could use in the future, and how they're affected, how their conductivity is affected at the same temperature for all different types of materials. Really good. There was one on algorithms predicting safety for LAX versus the Port of Boston that used two different algorithms. So they were really good experiments this year.
That's awesome. Obviously this is something that makes me proud to be the principal of the school. I can't say enough about the students, but also about our whole science department. They do an amazing job preparing students. So thank you very much, Ms. Akers. I look forward to reading more about them.
All right.